Okay, this is a how-to video. This is going to show you how to do those blue hashtags on your above your title. So anybody who wants to know, this is how you do it. First off is hit this button right here for to change your videos. Okay, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking in the Morning. This is going to be a how-to video I'm going to be posting right now. As you can see, it is March 23rd, almost 11:30. As you can see, this is a video from March 20th. I do not have the blue hashtag marks on above. So let me show you how you do this. I just learned this yesterday, or the day before. So for now on, there will be hashtags there. I'll show you how this is in the Y2 Studio. You click on that button right there, and it pulls up this. That's the 3 channels I shout out: Nike Girl, ELM Custom Harvesting, and Carter's Eats. Well, I'm going to have space between those two. Alright, now I got space between each of my shoutouts. Alright, where it says please subscribe to this channel, you click on it, hit return. Alright, see, you got another row. I'm doing this on my iPad. You can do it from your iPhone or whatever. Hit the pound button right there for a hashtag, and then put out shout out. Put a space. Don't mind my messy truck. Hashtag. Check them out. As you can see, hashtag check them out. Put a space. Hashtag, since I'm a trucker, I'm going to put trucking. So you can see I got a hashtag for that. What would be the last hashtag? Let's put shout outs. Check them out. Let's put great channels. Alright, you can see I got those 4 hashtags right there. Shout outs, check them out, trucker, great channels. Then up here in the top corner, hit the save button. Okay, I'm back under regular YouTube. As you can see, they are now listed right there. So when you put in a video, in your description, put them in a hashtag, shout out all your different hashtags. YouTube picks which ones will go there. That is how you have the blue hashtags above your titles. This is just a little information that might help your channel grow. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, and share. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. Check me out, Ralph's Trucking and More, Facebook and Twitter. Have a good day.